Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am Adira and today I am here to give a small video on iterator interface in Java. The iterator interface is a powerful tool for transposing collections, providing a standardized way to access and manipulate elements within various data structures. In this video, we will explore what an iterator is, its benefits, and how to implement it in Java and use of it in Java. So, first of all, let us know what is an iterator. So, an iterator is an object that allows you to iterate through a collection of elements, one at a time. You can use it to access the elements in a collection, determine if there are more elements left to be processed, and remove elements from the collection. Now, iterators have three key features, that is independent, flexible, and efficient. So independent is nothing but like the iterator itself does not change the underlying collection. This means you can modify the collection while iterating without affecting the iterator's behavior. I mean, it is not like array. It is opposite to an array. Flexible. Now coming to flexible, the iterator interface is designed to be used with different types of collections, allowing you to traverse a wide variety of data structures. So iterators are really flexible on different types of data structures. Now, efficiency. Efficient. Iterators provide a simple and efficient way to access and manipulate elements in collections, making it easier to process data with your applications. These are the three key features of an iterator. Now, coming to benefits of using iterators. So, using iterators offers us several advantages. Like, first one is abstraction. So in abstraction, iterators hide the implementation details of underlying collection, allowing you to work with collections without needing to know how they are structured. Now coming to readability. Readability, the simple, consistent interface of iterators make your code easier to understand and maintain. And flexibility of code. Iterators can be used with different types of collections, making your code more usable and adaptable. Now coming to iterator interface methods. So the iterator interface provides a set of core methods for interacting with collections. So they are has next, and remove. So has next is used to check if there are more elements in the collection to be iterated over. And coming to next is used to it means it returns the next element in the collection, moving the iterator forward. Now coming to remove. Remove is used to remove the element that was returned by the previous call to the next method. Now coming to the implementation part of iterator interface. So first of all, to implement an iterator interface, you have to follow these steps. So step one is to create a class that implements the iterator interface. And step two is to implement the has next, and remove methods based on the logic of your data structure. Coming to third step, test your implementation by creating an instance of your custom iterator and iterating through a collection using its methods. Now, let us see the code. So, let us see an example of using the iterator interface with a list of elements. So, this is a code. Let me execute it and show you people. So, let us use command prompt and notepad to implement the code. Here, you have to create a new notepad to do Java programs. So this is the program. Now here we are taking, as we are taking collections, here we are taking array list, and we have to, as we know, the java.util has all the collection frameworks which are present in Java. We are importing the java.util library, I mean a package. Now we are taking the class name as iterated example. Here, the main point to concentrate is the class name should be the file name, and the first letter of class name should be capital. And now, as I said, we are taking array list. So we have to create the array list. This is a syntax to create the array list. And we have to add the values into the array list. Now, we are taking the, we are obtaining the iterator for this collection. This is the syntax for uh, implementing an iterator for the collection. And now we are going to traverse through the collection using the iterator. So here we are using has next. As I have already mentioned the use of has next. Uh, it checks more elements in the next elements. If there are more elements in the collections to be iterated. Next, remove the element if it's banana. Now we are going to remove an element if its value is banana. And now we are going to, as we have removed banana, we are going to print the modified list without the element banana. This is a sample code. Now we have to compile it and run using javac command. So javac file number Java, it has executed, compiled successfully. Now we have to get the output. So we have to use Java and file name. This is the output. So here, first of all, we are getting the list using has next, which has banana. And after that, modified list after removing banana is this. This is the example of iterated interface using an array list. Now, this code demonstrates how to create a list of elements, obtain an iterator for the list, and etc. Traverse through the list and perform modify the list and etc. Now, now let us see how to use the iterator interface to iterate through a set of elements. So this is the code to implement it on set of elements. Now, similarly, open the command prompt, open the notepad, as we are performing it on set, so I have kept its name as set iterated example. Here, let me explain the code. As we are taking the, as I have said that we are taking the set. So here we are importing as set and importing the iterator and importing the set. Now we have to create the set by adding the elements into it. This is the syntax for it. And now we have to obtain the iterator for that set. And now we are using the iterator to traverse throughout the set of elements. As I have already said, hasnhash is used to traverse through the set of, collections, any type of collections. Here also we have implemented, we have inserted fruits like apple, banana, cherry, and the one is other like date. And now After iterating through the list, we have to print the list, print the elements in the list, and then we are going here also we are going to remove the element banana, and we are going to print the modified set. So this is the code. Now let us compile it and run. Compile, successfully compiled. Now running the code. I entered the class. Now see, I have entered the class name mistake, so I have got the error. Now I have corrected it and I have got the output similar to that, but this is a set and that was a list, array list. Okay, now now as I said, this that program was to show how to use the iterator interface with a set and perform operations and modify the set. Now, in conclusion, I want to say that the iterator interface provides a standard, efficient, and flexible mechanism for traversing collections in Java. It improves code readability, reduces the risk of errors, and makes your code more reusable and adaptable to different types of connections. Now, uh, I want to discuss the key takeaways from this video. As we are talking about iterators, iterators are the essential fundamental. It is a fundamental tool to work with collections in Java, making it easier to access and manipulate data. And readability and maintainability is also considered as the standards pattern of iterators makes code more understandable and easier to maintain. And as I have said, iterators can be used with different types of collections, making your code reusable and adaptable. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on iterator interface in Java helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. And thank you. Thank you for watching my video.